We're looking for a taxi.
Let's just do what Booby asked. Get Peter, go home, in and out.
Where's your sense of adventure?
One rule for room. No pissing in sink.
This is cozy. We're here looking for an address.
What do you want with the address?
We're looking for a dog. It's probably our Booby's last request.
Then must finishing. Always ending what's starting.
Please tell me about her. About her life. About living in this town.
This gentleman told us that it would take 5 or 6 weeks to get a map, and we don't have that long.
Just remember this isn't some fun family holiday.
I never said it was.
Let's just get Peter's damn bones and go home.
You know nothing. You saw nothing. Now get out of Dombrova.
Some say they had home.
Sarah!
Some say they had hell.
If you want to go, then go! I need this, Aaron.
And some say they were just lucky.
One last try.
But they all had a strength driving them forward.